So I was at Dollar Tree and I found these easels. I've never seen these before. So there's little wooden easels. Stand up. Pretty simple. Anyway, I wanted to use this part right down here, the shelf, to try to make some, I guess, holders for my paper so I could keep placing my paper in the same spot. So I'm going to give it a try. I got two of them so I can see if this will work. They're screwed in, so if it doesn't work, I could probably put it back together. But I'm really curious because I've been wanting to try something like this. I was going to try it with paper, but that didn't seem like it was going to work. But these little wooden things look like they could work. I'm not sure what it's called, but what I'm thinking is something that I can place along the top and the side, and I'll glue it together with hot glue. And then when I put my paper on my jelly plate, it's a little bit too wide. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work. Okay, I don't know if that's gonna work, so let's see if any of these other parts would work. Just gonna take these apart, the wooden pieces. Let's see if this will work. That seems like the right size. So I may not need to break apart that other one. I might be able to do it with just one of these. So take this out. Then I would have something like this on my jelly plate. And then when I go to line up my paper, I can line it up evenly each time. I'm gonna give that a try. I'm gonna glue these pieces together. Just using some hot glue. Maybe a little bit more. Making a mess. Okay. Push those together. And I'll let that cool and then we'll see how that works. I'm gonna try to cut this. Okay, don't try this at home. I have these garden shears and this could go wrong, but I'm gonna try it anyway. I cut through my wood pieces. Okay. I think it worked. So, then what I can do is line this up. Take my piece of paper, cover up the edges. And then when I want to pull another print in the same area, I can just line it right back up. Yay! I think that's a win. To clean it up, I'm gonna use, these are from Dollar Tree also, from the tool bench section, just some different sandpaper. Okay, now I want to test it out. So I think, okay, that works good. All right, I'm gonna try this purple. Okay, and now put this on here and see if this works. Roll this up. The height seems to be good. And then the next test will be I can get it to line up a second time. All right, pretty good. I think what I'll have to do is remove it when I'm pressing down on this side. A lot of that didn't transfer just because I wasn't pushing as hard on that side. It does stick up almost exactly even, so you need to push in a little more. So I think that's good. I like it. I think that's a win.